you've heard horror stories of Powerwall installs dragging on for 6 months or more, with weeks of radio silence and no idea when it'll actually be done, you're not alone. But in Houston, it doesn't have to be that way. Today, I'm breaking down the realistic timeline for Tesla Powerwall 3 installation, the biggest delays that trip people up, and how to avoid them completely. Hey everyone, welcome back to IntegrateSun. Whether you're in Houston, where we're based, or anywhere else in the country, this timeline applies to you, with a few location-specific differences I'll point out along the way. Just last month, a client came to us after waiting 5 months with another installer, stuck in permitting limbo with 0 updates. We got them fully installed and activated in 9 weeks. So what's the difference? Knowing exactly what to expect, having the right relationships, and planning around the common pitfalls. Here's what we'll cover today. First, the complete phase-by-phase timeline. Second, the 5 biggest delays and how to avoid them. Third, what happens on installation day. Then finally, when you can actually start using your backup power. The truth is, most Powerwall 3 installations take 8 to 12 weeks from order to full activation. But that timeline can vary significantly based on factors within your control, and some that aren't. At IntegrateSun, our Houston area average is 7 to 9 weeks, and I'm going to show you exactly why timing varies and what you can do to keep your installation on track. Let's start from the beginning. The process begins when you place your order, either directly through Tesla or through a certified installer like IntegrateSun. What happens in week 1? First, you'll provide basic information about your home and submit a deposit. Then comes the critical site assessment, and this is where most people either set themselves up for a smooth installation or encounter their first surprise. The site assessment includes evaluation of your electrical panel capacity, measurement of installation space, assessment of your meter location, and analysis of your energy usage patterns. Here's the first thing you need to know. Your electrical panel is the most common source of unexpected costs and delays. Most homes built before the year 2000 have 100 amp or 200 amp panels. If your panel is at capacity or outdated, you'll need an upgrade before Powerwall installation can proceed. A panel upgrade typically costs $2,000 to $8,000 and can add more than 2 weeks to your timeline. The key is knowing this upfront, not discovering it halfway through the process. At IntegrateSun, we evaluate your electrical panel during the initial consultation, before you commit to anything. No surprises, no unexpected delays. Once the assessment is complete, your installer creates a custom design showing exactly where your Powerwall will be mounted, how it connects to your electrical system, and what modifications are needed. You'll review and approve this design before moving forward, so don't rush this step. Ask questions if anything is unclear. Now we enter what most people consider the waiting phase, permitting. But there's actually a lot happening behind the scenes, and if you're in certain cities, this process can be much faster than you think. Let's look at what permits are required. 1. Building permits from your local municipality. 2. Electrical permits for the battery installation. 3rd, utility interconnection approval from your power company. Now, if you're in Houston specifically, there's some great news here. The city of Houston rolled out the SolarAPP Plus program in 2024, which is a game changer for qualifying residential installations. For straightforward installations that meet standard requirements, SolarAPP Plus provides instant permit approval, sometimes within hours instead of weeks. This can shave 3 to 5 weeks off your timeline compared to traditional permitting. But what if you are not in Houston? Don't worry, many cities across the country are adopting similar streamlined permitting programs. Reach out to us and we'll let you know which fast-track options are available in your area. We will handle management of all your paperwork, including engineering plans and electrical diagrams, product specifications for Powerwall 3, structural calculations for mounting, and utility interconnection applications. One important note, if you live in a deed-restricted community or HOA, you'll also need architectural approval. This can add 2 to 6 weeks depending on how frequently your HOA meets and how responsive they are. Pro tip on what proactive installers do: they submit HOA applications early, sometimes even before final design is complete, to avoid waiting for monthly meeting schedules. While permits are being processed, your installer is ordering equipment, which brings us to the next phase: equipment delivery and installation. Good news, Tesla Powerwall 3 availability has improved significantly in 2025 compared to previous years. Most certified installers can secure equipment within 2 to 4 weeks. And the fact that installers who maintain inventory can often schedule your installation within days of permit approval, rather than waiting weeks for equipment to arrive after permits clear, is a strong advantage. Now here is what I mean. Installers like us commonly keep requested configurations in stock for faster turnaround. This is one advantage of working with an established local installer versus ordering directly. Once permits are approved and equipment arrives, installation typically takes 6 to 8 hours for a single Powerwall 3 unit. Multiple units may require a full day or even 2 days, depending on complexity. After installation, your local building department must inspect the work to ensure it meets all code requirements. By the way, here's a question we get all the time. Can I use my Powerwall before the utility approves everything? And the answer is yes, with an important caveat. After inspection passes, you can immediately use your Powerwall in self-consumption mode. So you're not sitting with an inactive battery for weeks while waiting for final utility approval. You have full backup protection right away. You just can't sell power back to the grid until the last step is complete. Now here is the final step: permission to operate. Once inspection passes, your installer submits the final paperwork to your utility company. In Houston, that's typically Centerpoint Energy. The utility reviews the installation documentation and updates its records to reflect your new system. This typically takes 2 to 4 weeks, though it can take longer during peak solar season in spring and summer. For Houston homeowners, here's what you need to know about Centerpoint Energy. Their average PTO approval time is about 2 to 3 weeks for straightforward installations. Certified installers with established relationships in the interconnection department can often expedite this process. Once PTO is granted, your system unlocks full functionality through the Tesla app. You can export excess solar energy for bill credits. You can participate in programs like Tesla's virtual power plant. You're officially 100% operational, so let's put the complete timeline together. Here's what a realistic Powerwall 3 installation timeline looks like. Best case scenario, 6 to 8 weeks. No electrical panel upgrades needed. Fast track permitting like Houston's SolarAPP+. Equipment in stock, and quick utility approval. Then the average scenario takes 8 to 12 weeks. Minor electrical work required. Standard permit processing. Normal equipment lead times. And typical utility approval timeline. The extended scenario could take 12 to 16 plus weeks or even more in some cases. At IntegrateSun, our Houston area installations average 8 to 10 weeks from order to full activation because we've streamlined every phase and built relationships with local permitting offices and utilities. So, by the way, if you're still deciding on your battery system, check out our comparison video on Tesla Powerwall 3 versus Enphase IQ batteries. Both are excellent LFP-based systems, but they have different strengths depending on your needs, and if you're not sure how much battery storage you actually need, we have a complete guide on battery sizing that walks you through calculating your backup power requirements. Both videos are linked in the description, so there you have it. The complete, realistic Tesla Powerwall 3 installation timeline for 2025 with special insights for Houston homeowners and tips that apply anywhere in the country. If this timeline breakdown was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more solar and battery content, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.